Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to choose Tesla block on Google Maps. When you choose Tesla blocks on Google Maps, Maps filters and displays location of Tesla charging stations. It will be helpful to the Tesla users. So to choose Tesla block on Google Maps, you need to open your Google Map application on your phone. After opening your Google Map application, make sure that you are logged into your Gmail account. At the top right, you can see a Google account. Click there. Now there you can choose the option settings. Now after that, scroll down and look for the option electric vehicle settings. Click into that option. After this, you can see the add block option. Now tap on that option. Now you can see different type of blocks that you can choose from. Now you need to choose the Tesla one. Now tap at the arrow icon present at the top left. Now you can see you have been able to add the Tesla blog. Now go back to your Explore page. Now you will be able to find the Tesla blog in your Google Maps while you are traveling. This is how we can choose Tesla blog on Google Maps. Hope this video was helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.